ECM multi-speed blower motors can be tricky, but keeping them in good shape is easier than you think if you know what to watch for. So, first off, always keep your air filters clean. Dirty filters make the motor work harder, which wears it down faster. Next, make sure your return and supply ducts aren't blocked or crushed. Blocked airflow stresses the motor big time. Check the voltage supply regularly because if it's too low or too high, it can mess with the motor's performance and lifespan. Try not to cycle the motor on and off too much. Constant starting and stopping causes unnecessary wear. If you notice water leaks near your HVAC system, get those fixed as soon as possible because moisture can seriously damage the motor. Dust buildup inside the blower area is another silent killer, so a quick clean every now and then helps keep things running smooth. Also, make sure the motor's mounting is secure to avoid vibrations that can loosen parts or cause damage. Lastly, scheduling professional maintenance at least once a year catches potential issues before they turn into costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ECM multi-speed blower motors is ignoring dirty air filters. This chokes airflow and overheats the motor, so swapping filters regularly fixes that fast. Another common problem is neglecting ductwork. Blocked or leaky ducts reduce efficiency and force the motor to work overtime, which you can solve by cleaning ducts or getting them sealed professionally. Lastly, many folks overlook voltage problems. Unstable power supply can fry motor components, so using a voltage tester or calling an electrician if you suspect issues keeps your motor safe. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC and blower motor maintenance. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who really need their skills around the house.